Hello! At Truwl, we're interested in importing existing tools and workflows, but we're also interested in wrapping new tools. One of the new tools we just wrapped is OQFE. OQFE stands for Open Quality Functionally Equivalent, and it is a protocol that implements a few basic steps popular to large-scale human phenotyping and variant calling projects. So this produces what they call harmonized crams, in which you can compare between different projects and you know what you got, and it essentially just locks down these early steps. So alignment with BWA-MEM, marking of duplicates, base quality score recalibration, and it requires that the original read group tags be preserved from your Illumina runs to detect batch effects or optical duplicates that can occur on patterned flow cells. As I said, the pipeline itself is just a big Docker file, but it contains all those steps, and the steps within are not to be manipulated. So what we've done is wrap it in a little WDL workflow that you can access here. So from the workflow description page, you're going to hit create. If there's an existing instance, you can also fork that. Now, if you have a existing unmapped cram file, you're just going to put that in forward reads. If you have a typical pair of FASTQ files, you're going to want to fill both the forward and reverse read fields. The rest of these fields are optional except for the sample name, and you want that to be, no spaces there. The optical duplicate pixel distance for pattern flow cells, the optional cram reference is not needed because it'll fetch GRC38 from the internet during its processing, and you don't want to reuse a cram header. You probably just have definition lines in your FASTQ files that you'll want to use there. So I have some sequences I've already loaded into our library. I'm just going to use those. Make sure you hit check. And this should take about 10 minutes to run. Okay, so now we have a successful run, and if we want to fetch the inputs we use for that run, we can do that by clicking Inputs. If we want to see the metadata, which is essentially the details of the run with regards to Cromwell, which does the back-end pipeline dispatch, we can click Metadata. But most importantly, if we want to see the output, we can either use this convenient gsutil command or simply look at the output folder directly on Google Cloud. So the output will be in this strangely named folder. And remember, we named our sample demo. So this is the cram file, which is functionally equivalent. There's some marked duplicates statistics that come out of the pipeline, and you should be good to go. Now you're probably wondering, I can run one sample, but how can I run 10,000? Well, we're going to work towards that. If you're interested in using OQFE for bulk runs, please talk to us and we'll get you going. Thank you.